Welcome to this wise owl tip on how to automatically adjust column widths in Excel using VBA. It can be time consuming having to manually adjust column widths to suit the values inside the cells. This tip will help you automate that process so that each time you commit a value to a cell, the column width will adjust automatically. In your Excel file, head to the VBA editor by using the shortcut keys Alt and F11, or alternatively, you can right-click on the Worksheet tab and choose to view code. If you use the shortcut keys, you won't see this module window. Simply head up to the project window, double-click on the relevant worksheet object in the project window, and the module window will open. Head up to the drop-down menu at the top of the module window, click on the drop-down and choose Worksheet. This will add the default event, Worksheet Selection Change, for your code to work with. We don't want the code we're going to write to run every time we select a cell, so replace the Worksheet Selection Change event with Worksheet Change. The code will only run now when we make a change to the values in the cells. Within the subroutine, add the following line of code. Target dot entire column dot autofit. It's good practice to save the workbook before we run our macro. Head to the save icon. Choose where you want to save the workbook. I'm going to save this to my desktop. And then make sure that you have changed the default file type to an Excel macro-enabled workbook, an XLSM file. This will make sure that your macro will run whenever you work with the file in the future. Hit save. Head into the spreadsheet and test your code by entering values into the cells. And you should see the columns auto-adjust when you enter those values. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.